My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You're recommended to me by
I don't
some
even
people.
know.
Hey, is this illegal? Hey, it feels illegal. I've solved quite a few times with paranoia. Oh, I should name it, I know what I should call you. It's 24. Hey, we're getting high around the corner.